look through, we'll find it through our Illingworth diagram. What is there in Illingworth diagram? So there is a graph between delta G and temperature. Got it? So these are the things happening. The first reaction is what? We have a metal oxide MXO. You are seeing here MXO, and then XM. Okay, X mole of metal plus half mole of oxygen. So here delta G is negative. So this will be equation number 1, and here equation number 6.15. And reduction is carried out by carbon. The oxidation of reducing agent will be there. So here I am using carbon as a reducing agent. So whenever you are putting carbon with half mole of oxygen, you will be having carbon monoxide, where delta G is what? Negative. There may be a complete oxidation of carbon to carbon dioxide. Oxidation means what? Addition of oxygen molecule. Addition of oxygen molecule with the element is called oxidation. So here you are seeing that half mole of carbon is going to attach with the half mole of oxygen, and you will be having half mole of carbon dioxide. So that is here delta G is half of delta G. Delta G is negative. So here equation number 6.17. So after coupling these two reactions, 6.15 and 6.16, when you are coupling means combining. Coupling means what? Combining or adding. So you will be having MXO, that is metal oxide, plus carbon. So here carbon I am using as a reducing agent. So this carbon enables this metal oxide to separate out from metal and oxygen. So metal and oxygen both will separate out in the presence of carbon. Here carbon is the solid form. So you will be having X mole of metal plus carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a gas over here. So after coupling a 6.15 and 6.17, these two reactions, so you will be having MXO plus half carbon, that will give you XM plus half CO2. Okay, so ये दो reaction को आप combine कर लीजिए, and you will be having metal separate out, and another ये दो reaction जो दिए हुए इन दोनों को भी after combining you will be having half carbon dioxide as and metal as well as. तो ये आपको मिल जाएगा. Similarly, in case of carbon monoxide, what I am doing, carbon monoxide is another reducing agent. As we have already gone through, the carbon was reducing agent. Right now we are having another reducing agent, and that is carbon monoxide. So carbon monoxide is our another reducing agent for reaction 6.15 and 6.20. So when you are coupling these two reactions, you will be having carbon monoxide and half mole of oxygen, that will give you carbon dioxide, where delta is negative, and overall reaction will be as follows, like metal oxide, carbon monoxide, that will give you metal plus carbon dioxide. So here you can see that here metal oxide is there in the presence of carbon, metal is separated out from metal oxide, and here also metal oxide is there with the carbon monoxide. So carbon monoxide separates metal and oxygen from each other. Okay, clear? On the last you will be having carbon dioxide. So here the reaction 6.18 and 6.21 describe the actual reduction of metal oxide. As I told, how reduction happens,